Start trading on MEXC now. Get your $10,000 bonus when you register. Link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your daily source of the hottest crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Dormant wallet suddenly dumps $1. 1B in Bitcoin. After 3 years, what's going on? A Bitcoin wallet tied to the hacked Lubian mining pool, dormant for 3 years, has sprung to life, moving 9,757 BTC, worth about $1.1 billion, to 2 fresh addresses. Analysts are scrambling over whether this signals an imminent sell-off or simply security reshuffling. The wallet, known as 39DUZ, transferred assets to 34K9 Z9 TEF and BC1Q4C 77S0, raising eyebrows across the crypto on-chain community. The U.S. government continues efforts to forfeit a total of 127,271 BTC, approx $14.4 billion, alleged to be stolen from the pool. The question now, is this liquidity preparing to hit the market, or is someone just moving funds for strategic concealment or safety? Despite Fed hints of easing, Bitcoin mood remains bleak. Why? Even after Fed Chair Powell suggested that the central bank might soon ease off further balance sheet reductions, sentiment in Bitcoin markets remains persistently bearish. Powell indicated the Fed might stop shrinking its balance sheet once reserves reach levels deemed ample, noting that the runoff program started in 2022 had shrunk the balance sheet from $9 trillion to $6.6 trillion. However, in derivatives markets, options and futures continue to price in a negative outlook, signaling that traders aren't convinced that policy shifts will be enough to spark bullish momentum. In short, the macro narrative looks more optimistic, but crypto markets aren't buying it, at least not yet. Ripple goes full Africa. Custody network expanded in wake of RLUSD push. Ripple is taking its infrastructure ambitions deeper into Africa by partnering with Absa Bank, South Africa, to offer crypto custody services on the ground. The move comes on the heels of Ripple's rollout of RLUSD, its US dollar peg stablecoin, across African markets via collaboration with Chipper Cash. This new custody deal positions Absa as Ripple's first major institutional client on the continent. The integration lets Absa manage tokenized assets and cryptocurrencies using Ripple's regulated custody tech. This push reflects a growing hunger among emerging markets for blockchain infrastructure backed by compliance and security. An important signal, Ripple wants to be more than payments. It wants to be the plumbing behind regulated digital finance in Africa. Mega banks turn to crypto. France's ODDO BHF launches euro-backed stablecoin. In a bold institutional play, venerable French financial institution, ODDO BHF, is launching a euro-peg stablecoin, branded EUROOD, aiming to bridge traditional finance and crypto. The token will debut on Madrid's Bit2Me exchange, backed by major names like Telefonica, Unicaja, and BBVA. Designed to comply with Europe's MEXC regulations, EUROOD is pitched as a regulated, low-volatility digital euro for both retail and institutional users. This marks one of the clearest signals yet that large incumbents are positioning themselves to compete with US dollar-based stablecoins. If successful, EUROOD could nudge the euro into more of the on-chain payments and tokenization ecosystem. XRP gears up for breakout. Smart buyer's eye, $2.65 after 6% bounce. XRP is testing a key base at $2.40 after a sharp to 6% intraday move. Traders are watching closely. A breakout attempt to $2.65 is on the radar if momentum holds. Technicals suggest that XRP buyers are stepping in around the $2.40 support zone, which could act as a launchpad if demand persists. While swings have been volatile, the rebound shows that sentiment isn't entirely bearish. Some believe XRP may be gearing up for a fresh run. The narrative is, if $2.65 is breached with volume, it could trigger a new wave of interest and speculative bets. Those were today's top crypto news. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. A brand new video drops tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Best crypto exchanges, wallets, and all helpful links for traders are in the video description.